Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter number 7 of your subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, that is Bills of Exchange. So let's begin. Today we are dealing with question number 14, which is on page number 308 of your government textbook. Now in this particular sum, there is one drawer and multiple drawing. So let's understand the question. I am reading it out. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Sudha. A. Endorse Sonali's acceptance at 2 months for rupees 6,000 in favor of Urmila and paid cash rupees 3,500 in full settlement of her account rupees 10,000. B. Discounted 2 months acceptance of Surya for rupees 7,800 with bank at 10% per annum. C. Bank informed that Anuradha's acceptance of rupees 4,800, which was discounted, was dishonored and bank paid noting charges rupees 125. D. Pooja honored her acceptance of rupees 16,400, which was deposited into bank for collection. And we are asked to journalize in the books of Sudha. So Sudha is the drawer over here, and I have made a specimen of her journal. A. Endorse Sonali's acceptance at 2 months for rupees 6,000 in favor of Urmila and paid cash rupees 3,500 in full settlement of her account rupees 10,000. So whatever bill we had drawn on Sonali, after receiving the acceptance, we have endorsed that bill in the favor of Urmila. And so journal entry would be Urmila account debit to cash account to bills receivable account and discount account. So total amount payable to Urmila is 10,000, of which 3,500 we are paying in cash. Amount of bill is 6,000 and 500 would be discount. Narration would be being bill endorsed and cash paid in settlement of account. Moving ahead, B part. Discounted 2 months acceptance of Surya of rupees 7,800 with bank at 10% per annum. So now here discounting of bill has taken place and the journal entry would be bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. Let us calculate the amount of discount. So that is 7,800 into 10% for 2 months. So we get discount as rupees 130. Amount is 7,800. And here we get 7,670, that is bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. Narration would be being bill discounted with bank at 10% per annum. Moving ahead, C. Bank informed that Anuradha's acceptance of rupees 4,800, which was discounted, was dishonored and bank paid noting charges rupees 125. So this is the case where discounted bill is dishonored and bank is paying the noting charges. So the journal entry would be Anuradha account debit to bank account. Now the original amount of the bill is 4,800 plus 125 is the noting charges. So final amount would be 4,925. Narration would be being discounted bill dishonored and noting charges paid by bank. Lastly, we have Pooja honored her acceptance of rupees 16,400 which was deposited into bank for collection. And so journal entry would be bank account debit to bill sent to bank for collection. And the amount is 16,400. Narration would be being acceptance sent to bank for collection honored. The total of journal would be 39,125. I hope you all have understood this problem where there is one drawer and multiple drawees. Thank you. See you again with yet another problem.